Let's talk about teamwork. This is the third part or portion ng ating pag-usapan ko about teamwork. Number 3 is constructive conflict. Meaning, the ability to debate ideas, not people, leading to stronger solution. Ibig sabihin, hindi kita inaaway. Ang inaaway natin yung ideology. Hindi pwede kasing yung sa team mo ay yes man lang. Hindi ka mag-grow, para lang siyang echo chamber na nakikita natin sa paligid natin. Hindi kailangan magkaroon ng conflict, but it should be constructive. Example nito, marketing and finance. Pag nagre-request ang marketing and sales sa finance for promotion, for ads, budget, kailangan i-prove ng marketing or ng sales na efficient ang magiging paghingi ng budget. So magkakaroon ng questioning ang ating finance department para ma-prove naman natin or ma-analyze natin na karapat-dapat lang yung gagawin natin paghingi ng budget. Kasi kung wala, hahayaan na lang palagi, malulugi yung kumpanya at mapapagod lang yung marketing and sales team na hindi man inaral, walang third party, walang other party na pwedeng mag-aral dun sa strategy na gusto nating i-push. Yun na example ng constructive conflict. Victor's Day.